My name is Maya. I'm a recent OET winner. I sit last March for OET exam. With God's grace, I got an IELTS score. I came to know about Tiju's academy with one of my friends. I have no words to say to thanks to Tiju sir. Tiju sir, your basic grammar and OET grammar given me a good stepping stone in my OET study. Apart from that, writing section of Deepthi ma'am so amazing. I couldn't took individual classes. Before that, I attempt OET exam. With God's grace, I pass OET. Those who like to join OET classes could join in Tiju's academy and put your effort. Definitely you can crack OET. Once again, I thanks to entire team of Tiju's academy.